Today we're kicking off a brand new series about custom mapping, also known as scripting, which is a very powerful featuring Virtual DJ. Now this topic can be a little bit challenging for beginners, but don't worry, I'll go through the tutorials slowly and ensure you understand everything about custom mapping and Virtual DJ scripts. So what exactly is a Virtual DJ script? Well, this is basically a built-in scripting language that lets you customize and automate things within Virtual DJ. Think of it like giving your software special instructions to perform specific actions. Take something as simple as hitting the spacebar to play a song. Did you know that's actually a basic script in action? I call it basic because it contains one simple instruction which tells Virtual DJ to perform a single task. But the real power comes with crafting more complex scripts. For example, this script can control and coordinate stems for both Deck A and Deck B simultaneously. This allows you to create mind-blowing transitions and on-the-fly remixes using just a single key on your keyboard or button on your controller.
To give me while I push the rain, going up and down my like a stock exchange. Rearrange the whole game with my rugged sound. Won't even say your own name when I come around. Stay on top but remain from the underground.
Now, you might be wondering why you need to learn scripting, and there are many reasons and benefits, one of them being automation of repetitive tasks. As a DJ, you are usually juggling a lot when mixing, and repetitive actions can get tiring fast or even limit your skills. But now, using Virtual DJ scripts, you are able to automate most repetitive tasks, and the results are often better than doing it manually. For example, imagine performing a smooth transition that involves applying a phaser effect while simultaneously adjusting the filter knob. Traditionally, you'd need to handle these tasks manually one after the other. But with the help of Virtual DJ scripts, you can create a custom mapping that executes both actions precisely with a single key, which frees you up to focus on other aspects of your performance.
You are, girl, in my eyes you're a star, girl. Hey.
If that isn't modern DJing, I don't know what is. Another reason you should learn scripting is to unlock advanced features, like scratching, which can be done using a combination of letters called Scratch DNA syntax that we will cover later in the series. Throughout this series, we'll cover everything Virtual DJ scripting has to offer, from the basics like setting up your environment and writing your first script, to more advanced topics like using variables, conditional statements, and creating custom button mappings. So hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll dive into scripting verbs and write our first custom script together.